People, wanna see what I want? Wanna see from the title? Wanna see what I want? Wanna see from the title what I want? The Spartan boss. Yeah man, Uncle Demon himself. The dog there. The dog there road. The dog there road. You don't know who I talk by now? You must know who I talk by now. The Spartan boss there road. Uncle Demon himself. You see me, Mr. Who's a bong son of harder? You know what I'm saying? Yeah man, people. Yo. The under vibes. Come in, man. Yo, people. Yeah man, the Spartan boss there road, man. Yeah man, place nice again. Yeah man, just one of many victories, one of many artists who want to see their road. People, if you don't know me I talk about right now, Tamale, their road, the Spartan boss, their road. Yeah man, you don't see funny title go on, man. Come on dog, yo, come on man. We have to clap your dog on the one dog. We have to clap your dog on the one dog, yo, look. Spartan boss, their road, man. How go on? Yeah man, people, Tamale, their road. Yeah man, people, and you don't know if I see funny title where I deal with today. Tamale, their road. Let's me just big up his Spartan blast. We're glad to see dog out. Dog, they home after a very long sentence. I think the dog served like 3 years in prison, in Jamaican prison, and now in their road. So yeah, we're happy. And you don't know, say Sparta, you don't know Tamale are one of the OGs in the dancehall game right now. Dog definitely concreting one lean a dancehall, and he's one of them, you know, like one of the godfather dancehall right now. You know what I'm saying? One of the top dog them in the dancehall right now. You know what I'm saying? Like some of the elders come and sit it before Cartel and them Monday. Let's see me and them. Yeah man. Tamale up there with Cartel them, man. You know, dog come and do him thing, man. Set your name in that game, man. Definitely a legend in that game, and dog the home. And you don't know what you see from the title, the boy Rvssian. You know, being a genius producer as him is. You see me dog goes and grab Tamale and grab one of the artists out there, Valiant. You see me and dog and collab and hopefully they make a hit again. You see me. They collab and Goods Valiant and Tamale collab and Goosebumps, aka Father Rock, and that was a hit song, you know what I'm saying? Goosebumps and a Father Rock, you know what I'm saying? So me gonna so hopefully on a shot. You see me Rvssian, you see me Jaffe dog earlier, as soon as the dog forward out, it look like Rvssian Jaffe dog and them link up and them the tune, so we're gonna see what go on. Hopefully say yo it's a hit, you know. Hopefully it's no joke. So go jump right in the track. Yo, this is Rvssian Valiant. Rvssian, Valiant and Tamale Sparta, Tic Tac tour. Come in, man, we can get it and see what go on, man.
Yeah, Rvssian. Cheaper one bad. What you say, I preach today?
Cheaper.
Hey, Rvssian!
Porsche 911, me whip that fast.
So that I start off. Come in.
Got your jeans with a trip Glock.
My boy shot first, me no get back. 762, fin 6 pop.
She said me teeth white like Tic Tac. Every killer with me pango.
Hey, the boy Rvssian, no. You're really a Rvssian by the trap, but you don't do hear me, no. It's a blower. It's like your first straight jeans and fitted. And then you got alien with blood, cleat, skin. No dog, it just sound like a vibe. Hey, come in.
Nobody can cross me no Tic Tac toe.
Nobody can cross me no Tic Tac toe. Black inside of my Benz. Me no really beg new friends. Straight out the air for the lens. Be a new girl I get bent.
We no beg new friends. Straight Cartier for the lens. Talk to them.
Black inside of my Benz. Me no really beg no friends. Straight Cartier on the lens. Drink and meat.
Yo, the Spartan boss look like he now work out in a prison doing a dog. Dog, that leaves some weight, you know. Yo, come on.
Fast life and we in a designer. Fast. Every move we make gone viral. Soup on a tool, dog. GLE just a blast off fast. She said she can't dance. She drink the class of me and she start warm.
Y'all.
Then she love the badness, she don't wanna goofy. The mouth of carrot that are shining on.
No goofies, you see me? Y'all want bad man, no goofies around here. To them.
Jewelry. Me live a rich lifestyle, I'm just too casual. Me have a uptown girl and she
man say, yo, which I live Rvssian and me live too casual. Come
Just too far.
Back inside of my Benz. Me don't really beg new friends. Straight out the air for the lens.
Yeah.
Be a new girl I get bent.
Got a new Glock on the ends. Tilt up that black Benz.
easy now, man. Up to them, be able to self.
Versace
Spartan boss, they are road. Now I'm telling you, hit to that coming.
custom lens. Drinks and me tell a friend.
10 million per my net, dog. We are go to rock and we head hard. Me have couple gal we ask.
Where goes a rock? Hey, come here, man. Goes a rock for them lows. Come here.
I'm hard. When we touch the road, we not take talk. Me and my friend, them not take this. New AP on my left wrist. I still straight jeans with a G-Shock. We are like the place with the G-Lock.
Jesus, peace for my pendant. Me a fuck them.
Easy now, man. To them, Jesus, peace, I'm a pendant. Look, I'm a pendant then. Come here, man. Yeah, man, Jesus, peace, I'm a pendant. To them, see that. Come in.
Girl for your thing, gun. Push out the Porsche car and the Benz van. Pass them a blood clot road like exam.
Sorry, man.
Black side of my Benz. We don't really beg no friends.
No. Black inside of my Benz. We not really beg no friends.
Straight out the air for the lens. Drinks on me, tell a friend.
Black inside of my Benz. We not really beg no friends. Straight out here on the lens. Me and you girl I get banned.
Bad tune, bad blow tune. Yeah, man. Rvssian, you know if you produce youth. Valiant, Tamily, una hit makers. You see me? Hit makers. Me nah lie. We not doing a thing on the tracker. This is for the summer. Right in time for the summer. The Spartan boss, they run right in time for the summer and drop the one right in time for the summer. Come in, man. Yo, Valiant and Tamily are gonna make summer nice. They gonna make dancehall nice again. Cause these guys lacking subject, you know. They not no subject in a dancehall. They want to talk about chopping this and chopping that. Yeah, the chopper music is nice. To me, it's like the new hustle music. You know what I'm saying? But you see me, we don't need new topics, different topics, and that's why Afrobeats and other things is beating the genre because we don't lack topics. That's why Trinidad dancehall, because Trinidad dancehall is not about just chopping alone. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Big up on yourself, people. You know a thing about the one here. Tamily, the Spartan boss, the warm. You see me? Valiant, that doing thing, and Rvssian, that doing thing. Real bad collab. People know a thing about the one. You see me? Drop in the comments in the comment section. Definitely go show the artists them some love and support. Me, you know, so Jambisco send you. Definitely go check out Rvssian, Valiant, and the Tamily Sparta, the Spartan boss. Definitely go check them out. Show them some love and support. Let you know, so Jambisco then send you. Guys, till next time. You don't know, it's a boy Jambisco. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.